Hi everybody, welcome back to On to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can delete your professional account on Instagram. So to get started, go ahead and open up Instagram application and you will be brought up with the homepage of Instagram. Now what you can do is tap on that little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on that menu bar which is appear on the top right corner. So once you tap on it, you can see the help option. Go ahead and tap on. Now all you have to do is tap on help center. Now go ahead and tap on that three lines or the menu bar. Now go ahead and tap on manage your account. Now here you can see the option delete your account. Now here delete your Instagram account or temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Now tap on delete your Instagram account. So here it shows you the following tips that I have to follow in order to delete my professional account. So these are the steps I have to follow. Once I follow this, I'll be easily able to delete my professional account on Instagram. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.